Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing you to make an alkaline electric soursop ginger soup. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide, and they are soursop leaves, green peppers, onions, red peppers, chayote squash, zucchini, summer squash, sea salt, fresh ginger, onion powder, basil, cayenne powder, oregano, chopped kale, and quinoa. So let's begin. So our first step, we're going to take some water, spring water, and add it to a stock pot. We're going to take about 4 to 6 soursop leaves. Make sure you rinse them off before using them. Just like to break them in half. We're going to cover the pot and we're going to let it boil on a high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, we're going to remove the leaves from the water. Because the leaves are too tough to try to eat them, we're going to remove them. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Then we're going to add our diced onions, diced green peppers, diced red peppers, or use any other color like yellow or the orange. Chayote squash, I cut that like in cubes. Zucchinis, and summer squash. We're going to add our seasonings, oregano, cayenne powder, and this is optional, basil, onion powder, sea salt, and minced fresh ginger. Then I have chopped kale. Now we're going to add our uncooked quinoa. Make sure you rinse it off. You can also use any other grains like wild rice or pasta, teff. And then we're going to add some more spring water. And we're just going to give it a nice stir. I see that I left a little bit of quinoa in here. I'll add it to the soup. And then cover it. And let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium heat. So after about 30 minutes, the soup is now done. Smells great. Now it's ready to be served. You can also add more water if you like to, if you want more broth. And there it is, alkaline electric soursop ginger soup. You can find the soursop leaves on my website, and the link will be in the description box below. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.